So CYC just dropped another motor. The package just came in, so let's explore it together. So imagine X1 Pro and Photon had a baby. This is what that is. This is the Proton or the Photon Pro. This is a demo version that the CYC sent to us. So I'm not really sure what to expect and what's inside and how, but I just know it's in between the Photon and the X1 Pro. I'm not sure of the specs, I'm not sure. So this is the first time we're looking at it with you guys. So you got the warranty, registration cards, instructions. Similar packaging as the Photon Gen 2. So cranks are the same, so that's good. It's the same exact system as the X1 Pro and Photon and all the same current gen systems, so it will use the same crank, same parts pretty much. Let's see what else. I believe this is the harness and stuff. So you got the 1x2 harness, same CAN bus plugs. Same thing with the speed sensors, which is good. It's in the same ecosystem. If you have a Photon and you're upgrading, you could just get the motor and upgrade it because it uses the same peripherals. Intuition display. So, I mean, the great thing is it's all cross-compatible. If you're curious about the Gen 2 Photon, I'll link a video to that one where I did an unboxing on that one. So you guys can check that out. The spindle hardware, it's all the same. So I'm assuming like the mounting will be the same on the motor. Yeah, so I don't even know if they're calling it the Proton or the Photon Pro. So I'm filming this. Okay, so here is the motor, and you got the 32 teeth chainring, which I believe it should be the same as a Photon Gen 2, obviously. Yeah, has the same adapter, so it's gonna go on, yeah, so it's gonna go pretty much on the same chainring adapter. All right, so now for the main course meal, let's open the motor up. So the packaging is exactly the same as the Photon. It looks pretty much the same as a Photon. So this is supposed to replace the stealth motors. From what I understand, this is not confirmed, but just, you know, that's my understanding. Everything I say in this video is my understanding of it. Well, it definitely looks heavier and beefier. It has the signature X1 Pro open window to look at the stator and the magnets, which is, you know, that's one thing I love about the X1 Pro. It looks really unique. It could take up to 90 phase amps. So I'm guessing they beefed up the controller as well, but the controller body looks the same. Adapter, everything, the body is exactly the same. It's the same body, it's just a thicker motor and heavier motor. Like, you know, a Photon Gen 2 motor would probably come up to here. I'll do another video, probably get, you know, released tomorrow or something, that'll compare the Photon Gen 2 to the Proton. So there you have it. This is the first look of the Proton motor. I'm super excited to mount this on a bike and give it a ride. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.